Human innovation and intervention have been changing for years, making some crazy inventions like flying hovercraft, sea riders, and so on. Some have impacted nature, but was it really useful? Now we are going to see the top inventions that will blow your mind. Stay tuned, as the last one will be everyone's favorite. Number 8. Lego Braille bricks. We might have created buildings, different objects, and some realistic shapes with the help of Lego. But what if I say that they have invented something which is only for the blind community? Indeed, the Lego Foundation has developed a new Braille brick, which is a playful methodology that teaches Braille to children who are blind or have a visual impairment. Each Lego has its own color and is molded with studs that correspond to numbers and letters which are there in the Braille alphabet. 287. Lego Braille bricks come in 5 colors: white, yellow, green, red, and blue. This allows sighted and blind kids to play and learn together on equal terms. These innovations can inspire blind kids to be independent and have good communication skills from an early age. For this innovation, Lego Foundation won a Gold Lion at the Cannes Festival. Number 7. 3D printer. 3D printing basically constructs three-dimensional objects from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. It operates by adding materials such as plastics, liquids, or powder grains, which are deposited, joined, and solidified under computer control. In the beginning, many were falsely assumed that this 3D printer is only fit for the production of functional or aesthetic prototypes. During the early 2010s, the 3D printers started to evolve among industries. Later on, as days passed by, they made complex geometric shapes or objects in a span of efficiency. In 2012, Philibot developed a system that allows for any FDM or FFF 3D printer to be able to print with a wider range of plastics. And in 2014, 2 members demonstrated vertically printed electronic additive manufacturing platform, Vipre, which enabled printers operating up to 40 Hz. It cost around $2,000. Now, the most popular and commonly used printers are fused deposition modeling, and it is also affordable equipment for the entry-level industrialists. 3D printers made its debut in creating the world's first prosthetic eye from the Moorfields Eye Hospital, located in London. But these home printers produce from 15 dB to 75 dB, which can cause noise pollution. Materialize company won the best 3D printing industry for the year 2023. Number 6. Unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as drone, is an aircraft which runs without any human pilot, crew, or passengers on board. The main reason for developing the UAV was for military missions that happened during the 20th century. As the technology upgrades, the UAV gradually changes its path from military operations to aerial photography, area coverage, precision agriculture, and environmental monitoring. These drones are classified based on altitudes, as the basic known as handheld, which covers 2,000 feet, to the expensive and precision known as Computer-Assisted Carrier Guidance System, CACGS, which can cover the space. Most of us knew drones as mini helicopters or a toy which we look at in reels. But do you know that it was used in battlefield? These are Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV, also known as combat or battlefield drones. More than 75% of Americans do support using drones in attacks. Despite these many positive aspects, the public are scared about this new invention, as it can be a danger sign for safety, can leak our private information, dropping dangerous payloads in crowds, and hacking into data centers. So, it is important and responsible for every individual to perform drives in subconsciousness. Number 5. Flying hovercrafts. We might have seen hovercrafts for F1 racing or for transportation purposes. Have you seen any flying hovercrafts? The below can give you an answer for the problem. Hammacher Schlemmer and lifestyle and electronics brand launched the Flying Hovercraft, a powerful flying vehicle that can glide over land and water. This hovercraft can be piloted up to 6 meters above ground, reaching 113 km/h and covering up to 250 kilometers. That's an interesting speed with a good level of altitude. Alongside these combines with a 1 to 30 HP twin-cylinder liquid-cooled turbo gasoline cylinder. To glide it above the ground, they have equipped the hovercraft with a 60-degree wood-carbon composite thrust propeller and a 1100 RPM 34 eaves lift that inflates its durable vinyl-coated nylon skirt. The coolest part is that it is controlled via a joystick. So, this flying hovercraft would cost around $200,000 and the owner should possess a boat license to pilot it. Number 4. Paw Port. Most of the people have installed a pet door, which usually becomes difficult for younger and older dogs, as they do not have much strength to push on their own. Sometimes these doors can also bring some poisonous snakes or neighbors' dogs which sneak into our home. So, to avoid any unforeseen circumstances, the Paw Port has designed a new feature which can blow your mind. This patented design slides onto existing pet doors using the groove on the existing pet door frame. A simple screw locks Paw Port into place and cannot be removed from outside. This Paw Port has 6 features such as waterproof, rechargeable, lightweight, easy clasp, entry-exit, and adjust range. This Paw Port is constructed out of solid steel and aluminum, which assures premium and lasts for many years. For an overnight charge, it can last for a whole month, and it also protects from bugs and insects. If you are not having any existing doors, then you can purchase their combo pack, which consists of 4-piece tunnel design, including low-profile outdoor carpet and aluminum moisture barrier, flashing that prevents water from entering the wall. Currently, the Paw Port is in production, and very soon it can be available for pet lovers. Is this worth the hype? Do you think that these products should exist? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Sea Racer by Sea Rider. The following innovation is for those who are seeking an adrenaline rush in the aquatic world, and it is also a future electric watercraft. So let us look into the specs. This Sea Racer can go a maximum speed of 77 km/h that makes rides very thrilling and exhilarating. The duration will be for an hour, as the riders should have high speed for a significant span of time. It also has dual electric motors yielding a potent 45 HP, 33 kilowatt, and they have maintained a lightweight stature at only 65 kilograms, which facilitates precise handling and optimal performance on the water. They have not only focused on power and speed, but also on design and handling of the watercraft, responding a safe and responsive ride that resonates with performance enthusiasts. This has a blend of motorcycle and jet ski, so the company is currently selling it for $30,000. The next innovation is all about the update in electric vehicles. Number 2. UNI Wheel. Basically, it is a novel wheel designed by Kia and Hyundai for the purpose in electric vehicles. The main advantage of this UNI wheel is that it can wheel drive individually without having to mount the motor directly to or inside the wheel. Instead, it uses the functions of constant velocity joints and reduction gearing into a single system within the wheel. With this universal wheel drive system, it provides gear reduction and decoupling of the rotation axis of the wheel, allowing the motor to be mounted rigidly to the chassis, with the axial loads on the wheel taken by the suspension system. This can also reduce noise pollution and provide simple concerns rather than complicated ones. Number 1. The Verge's AI Glasses. These AI glasses doesn't permit stunning looks, but also provide multimodal AI superpowers. Brilliant Labs has initiated this project, and they have made Tute's Frame as a way to get AI translations, web search, and visual analysis right in front of our eyes. These glasses also have voice assistance where it can identify a landmark, search for sneakers, and even display nutritional information for the food which we are about to eat. They have built the product in 3 colors, namely black, gray, and clear. The glasses features a 640 x 400 pixel color micro OLED that projects a light in front of users' eyes. Alongside, the frame also comes with a 1280 x 720 camera, microphone, and a 222 mAh battery that holds for all the day, and also it charges very fast. So, The Verge has decided to price it at $349, and that's a big deal. Despite many competitors rising against the Verge's AI glasses, like Meta's beta version of Ray-Ban glasses and Apple's 600 Air Vision Pro, still they are not able to beat the quality of Verge. What are the cutting-edge innovations in transportation, and how might they reshape the way we travel in the future? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more crazy innovations which you mightn't have known. See you in the next video.